Thank you very much for coming. Army recognition was supportive for so many years to EODH. Today is a great day for us because it's a new milestone is added to our current activities. Until now, EODH was known for the protection technologies we are installing on the land platforms. As from today, EODH is enlisted to the club of the manufacturers of vehicles, armor protected vehicles such as Boxer and Leopard. Here you have also witnessed a small ceremony celebrating and marking a 25 years, honoring a 25 years continuous cooperation, fruitful cooperation, I should say, excellent cooperation with KMW and KNDS. We had the honor to have with us the new CEO of KMW, but in his presence and in his face, we remember all the previous KMW team and CEOs from Frank Haun, Ralph Ketzel, Mr. Marke, and all the people, the good people, Mr. Ostervos, which cooperate with us in a defense environment which it was not easy many years ago. Now it's better. So you have also witnessed the signature of a contract which can yield for EODH minimum 200 million over the 10 years framework agreement, which for us is important. I am grateful to the people of KMW and KNDS for their trust. We have also the BDSV director, Dr. Aspondin, who supported us for so many years. And it's not by coincidence that EODH with NEMS is exhibiting for 25 years in the German pavilion. And therefore we are sending a strong message that the Greek-American cooperation within the European defense environment is fruitful, is positive, and it can have a future. I would like to dedicate this, let's say, not prize, but this happy event to my wife, to my family, and especially to my team, both in Greece and in Germany, as represented by our people, which they are not anymore with us. Nikita, my foreman in the factory, and Dimitris, his successor, and all the team, Mr. Dietrich, and the rest of the team who are working for us day and night for this success. And also I thank all the partners, strategic partners, because to be successful you need supply chain, you need people which they care and trust you. And also Army recognition for your continuous presence next to us. Thank you very much.